James is saying unique graphics. Alex is saying they don't need advertisement, easy mobility, visual fun. Sarah is saying, Stan is saying visual engagement. Rick is saying unique and addictive. Now think about this in a one word, how you would describe all of that. Well, it's entertainment. That's it. It's entertainment. Amazon, Mashable, Pinterest, it's entertainment. They are in totally different niches, totally different business. They make money totally differently, but this is the commonality that is there. Now check this out. If you visit any of those sites, Amazon, Pinterest, Mashable, chances are that you don't just open up one page, look at it, and leave. Right? And it's hilarious because the primary goal of these pages is to get you to spend money for each site's different way. Yet there is no other way for them to make money unless they make it enjoyable for you to interact with the site. So that's entertainment. Now let's contrast this to a typical website that internet marketers build. What they do, they are boring. They are, here is some content and here is some ads type of sites, right? So no wonder Google could care less about those websites. And if by chance someone accidentally finds those sites, no wonder they do not buy anything from them. Do you see the big picture here? Because you see, content is not the most important thing when it comes to making money. Because everybody messes that up, pretty much everybody. It doesn't matter who you are, what you do, how good your content is. In the end of the day, we cannot make content, enough good content in order to make the results. And it's all about entertainment. It's all about entertainment. Now, the next thing that I want to say is the update frequency. All of these sites, so Amazon, Pinterest, and Mashable, have high update frequency. Now, our challenge at this point becomes, how can we create there's always something new feeling so people continue to visit our sites? So how can we do that in a way that doesn't require us to constantly be working on a new content? Because think about this. When you go to any of these sites, you see something new every time. Like not literally every minute, but almost every minute. And it brings up curiosity for people to check it out. Now, the regular websites, what they do, they put the keyword optimized page on the home page, and everyone who visits pretty much visits it one time because there's nothing to see there. Now, finally, and maybe even most importantly from all of this, the entertainment and the update frequency is slanted to achieve social engagement. Now, what is social engagement in our purpose? So what it means? Well, basically it means that people are happy, eager, and willing to share pages and entries of these websites with their friends, with their family, and with pretty much anybody in their social circles. Now do this. If you have any of your own websites that you created, where you try to make money, open them up and tell me the following. Just go now in a browser and open up any of those websites. I will wait for a second. Is it open? Abby says they suck. Pauline says, yes, it's open. Now, and tell me the following. If your friends and family would be happy and eager to share your website with their social circles, just let me know in the chat box if that would happen for you. I mean, I see so many no's. Peter say probably not. Andy say not without a bribe. So you are saying right now that you are not happy to share your websites with your family members and be proud about that, and you try to pitch them to some other people? Now that's the problem that is number one in affiliate marketing. And therefore, with a great pleasure, I want to introduce you to something that is going to accomplish all of these things almost effortlessly for you. And it's WP Video Pro, VideoSense Pro. Now what is it? It basically allows you to create sites that mimic the powerful entertainment value and social engagement levels of Pinterest and Mashable, and do it in seconds. So that you can be proud with the website that you build. You can make them engaging and entertaining right away. And let me show you actually one of those sites. So let's go to the browser and let me show you this. Right? So this is the website. So what you are going to see right now is a website with these social engagement pins. And if you go to Mashable, what do you see there? Tell me, what do you see there? Put it in the chat box right away. So this is the site that is powered with WP VideoSense Pro, and this is Mashable. You see ads, but most importantly, you see these pins. And they are with the social engagement buttons right there, right? And if you scroll down, they will just bring more posts over and over again. And obviously, Mashable is so big that you can scroll for days and never hit the ground. What about Pinterest? The same thing. What about StumbleUpon, which I didn't mention? The same thing, right? Now check this out. If you scroll this down, it will load automatically all other posts. In this case, I don't have so many posts here, but it will generally load more and more posts, right? Right? Now, if we click here, it allows us to go deeper in our site, right? There's a content, there's a video, and as you saw before, the thumbnail for that pin came from this video. And now we have learn more about workout, and this is randomized with all of these images. Now let's check out the Amazon. If we scroll down, what we see here, customers who bought this item also bought this. Right? Obviously, Amazon is e-commerce site, so it's differently structured, but here's the idea. The idea is totally the same. Now, check this out. Let's go inside here, and let me show you a few things, what this beast can do. So let's go to AdSense options, right? And let's just quickly enable all of these AdSense ads. Right? Let's just do it right now. So I'm enabling all of these AdSense ads right there. And now let's just go and open this in a new window. And let's just see what's going on there. First, we have a Google search box. You see, this is powered by Google. We have the links here. We have the banner here. And if you go to Mashable, we have the banner here. Right? Now, if we scroll down, we see these ads. Obviously, we need to disable one ad in order to show the proper ad, which is this site, right? For this particular configuration. And now, if you will have hundreds of posts here, which you can easily curate from YouTube or things like that, right? You will have these inside just like on Mashable.com. You see, on Mashable, we have the same thing. Right? Now let's go inside. Let's go inside of some of the posts. So first, we have these ads here. And because this page doesn't have so much content, we don't have a banner here. But generally, we have a banner here. And let's just maybe check another post. So we can quickly see something that is going on. Let's see, workout schedule. Let's take some category and let's see whether we have some more content somewhere. Boom, we have more content. And you see, these ads are just above the content, and this is the banner, and this is the banner as well. And we have these ads here as well, and we have this ad as well. So it's within a second, it's totally monetized. And when you go to menus, you can create, like you can put the navigation here, here, and you can scroll down, you can put it here, also in another side. So there's a bunch of, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different menus. You can go to site options and you can basically enable quickly one sidebar or both sidebars or none of the sidebars. And you see this sidebar here, this is showing up, this means that we have a right sidebar enabled, right? And then you can customize a lot of things. For example, you can say for the index page and related posts, I want to use just images. So let's see how it works. So you just check one of this box. And let's go to the home page and let's see what's going to happen here. Boom. You see, this is like, looks like Pinterest, like totally image site, right? And we have ads in between, right? And Mashable is doing absolutely the same thing. Absolutely the same thing. And Amazon is doing these related posts, and that's how you come to this page and you click through, you go to the page and page and page until you find something and you eventually buy. That's why so many people want to work with Amazon Associates, because it just makes money. You cookie your visitors here and they will just start to click this. And remember, Amazon has probably spent millions, if not billions, to optimize this website, right? And we can steal that with one install. Simply one install can literally take that and implement on your affiliate sites. And content becomes secondary in order to make money, because people go here and they see these images and they just click on them, right? And they go to the next one. Because images are engaging, right? They are engaging and they are randomized from each page and so on and so forth, right? And obviously you can put a social balance, and there are a ton of features that you can do with WP Video Sense Pro. Now let me just tell you what's included. So basically with WP Video Sense Pro, you will make money with a fresh website without expensive SEO techniques and tools, because we just agreed in the beginning that there's no importance of those SEO things anymore, right? Your website will look authoritative right away, even if most of the content will be curated media from sites like YouTube and Google News. You saw basically how WP Video Sense Pro takes the thumbnail and puts on the homepage so that it looks like Mashable, like Pinterest, like these powerful and billion-dollar worth websites, right? You will generate massive amount of page views to put your website bounce rate below the critical 60% to boost rankings in Google for more traffic, right? You will get paid more by advertisers. They love sites with a lot of page views, and WP Video Sense Pro will position you as a serious publisher in the market. And with a matter of clicks, you just click and boom, it's installed, it's set up, it's ready. There's nothing to figure out. Mashable and Pinterest and Amazon already figured that out. They invested millions and billions in order to make it happen. So with WP Video Sense Pro package, you will get instant download of WP Video Sense Pro to create authoritative websites for lucrative profits. You will get excellent video documentation that will show you step by step how to use WP Video Sense Pro for massive results. Best of all, for Abby, who have 100 websites, you will get unlimited developer's license to make sure you can install it on unlimited websites of your own, right? Or your customer websites, or you can flip your sites for fast profits, right? On top of that, I'm going to give you a free access, lifetime access to Content Curation Mastermind on Facebook with over 1,150 members that are ready to help you 24/7 with your traffic generation techniques and strategies. It's amazing mastermind group. It's amazing. You get 12 months free updates and support via dedicated members area to ensure you can 100% focus on making money with your websites instead of technical things. And after 12 months, no worry, you will still get free support via Peter Garrity's help desk, right? Now, I want you to succeed, and I want you to stop making websites that you don't want to show to your family, your friends, and you basically websites that are not making you money. And therefore, I'm going to throw in a few webinar special bonuses. So webinar only bonus number 1, you will get my entire Tube Authority Blaster training program, which is $197 value. And it's basically the best step-by-step video course on how to dominate YouTube for massive traffic and authority. It includes 5 short to the point mind-map videos, 19 how-to look over my shoulder checklist videos, perpetual syndication engine strategy videos, access to the Tube Domination Mastermind group on Facebook, and much, much more. Webinar only bonus number 2 is monthly What's Working Now training, $197 value. So basically for next 6 months, you will be receiving a monthly video training on the most cutting edge strategies, how to squeeze out more traffic and bigger commissions with WP Video Sense Pro. I built this system for my own business. I use it in my own business. I spend hours and hours to monitor what big guys are doing and what is making money right now. And all of that you are going to hear in these update videos, right? It's priceless. And finally, webinar only bonus number 3 is advanced video training, which basically will help you to unleash massive free traffic to your Video Sense Pro powered websites. So you will learn how to create profitable keyword groups. This is something that nobody's teaching, nobody's showing. I can tell you that, right? You will get that in this training. It's absolutely amazing. It opens something unbelievable when it comes to traffic generation. You'll get simple content automation to get constant update frequency, just as Google loves it, and much, much more. Now, the bad news is that not everybody will get all of these bonuses. And they are basically reserved for the fast action takers only basically for people who want to leverage the momentum right now to make a lot of money, right? Just like with everybody. Excuse me, just like with everything in life, we get used to things, right? But this is the thing that not so many people are doing right now. They don't realize. They still build those boring sites. And therefore, you want to leverage the momentum, get your sites out there, update your sites, and make money. And Pasi is saying, show me the link. So here it goes. First, if you are one of the first 50 customers and you go to yesimain.com/cents, you will get all of these bonuses. So Tube Authority Blaster, monthly What's Working Now training, and advanced WP Video Sense training. It's a total additional value of $491. So if you are one of the first 50 people who will join WP Video Sense Pro right now, you will get all of these bonuses. Now, if you are 51 or 100 customer, then Tube Authority Blaster goes away, but you still get monthly What's Working Now training, which is $197 value. You get advanced WP Video Sense training, which is $97 value, and this is a total additional value, $297. Now, if you are 100 first plus, then first two bonuses goes away, but you still get the advanced Video Sense training, which is incredible. As I said, it's just beyond belief, right? So make sure you join before that, because I mean this is super powerful. Now, obviously, all of this is covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can sign up for WP Video Sense Pro right now, download the software, all my training, including the bonuses, sign up for Content Curation Mastermind, and if for any reason or no reason at all you want your money back, no problem, just send me a request within 30 days of your purchase, and I will give you every penny back, no questions asked. And I see Brian is saying just purchased. Thank you, Brian. Welcome. And I see a lot of people already joined. Michael, Mark, Brian, I see 2 pages already. So you want to jump right away because these first bonuses goes pretty fast. Now, let me just answer a few questions here. Just so you know, Brian just joined, Mark joined, great. Let me see some questions. Dan is asking, are there going to be updates to the theme, for example, to make the theme mobile responsive? Yes, we are actually working on this right now. We already released the first update, and we are working already on the next updates. We have a lot of ideas and things that must be implemented in this, and we just want to get it out to you as fast as possible. So therefore, just don't wait any moment, just join right away. This is really a cutting edge thing. Alex is saying, can I buy in a month as it is in the middle and another project? Well, I'm not sure about the bonuses and the price. Actually, if you go to wpvideosensepro.com, then you will see that actually you can buy it for much higher price, right? So I would suggest you join right away, and there is no rush at all. Let me just put in the chat box the link for you. So just check the chat box, go there. Brian says this is a great opportunity, great webinar. Thank you, Brian. Fisher is asking, will I need a special hosting to accommodate all of those videos? Nothing special, regular hosting, because your videos will be hosted on YouTube. No problem whatsoever, right? There's no problem whatsoever. Diana is saying, I am in. Great. I see a lot of people are joining. We still have a few spaces left for the first bonuses, so make sure you jump on the board right away. right? So make sure you join right away. And if you have some questions, just let me know. Okay, let's see, we have a lot of, Ron is saying, I hope I will make this work. Don't worry, Ron. We have, as I showed you, as I told you before, we have a mastermind, and I can show you that right away. So if you go to Facebook, then let me just load this quickly. And we have this curation mastermind. As you see, we have 1,174 members right now in this group. And this is one of the things that you will get as part of this, right? This is very, very powerful stuff, and you get all the help and everything. So you are not alone. There is no problem whatsoever. Patty is asking where to find tube video source. You will find that everything in the training is covered. So how you update the theme and how you update the posts and things like that. And just let me show you something. Let me just do a quick demo, just one thing. So let's just go to YouTube, right? And let's just search for any video. So let's say weight loss, right? So weight loss. And let's just take totally any video. I don't care about the video content at this point. So let's just take this video. And what I want to copy is, let's just copy this title, right? And now let me just go to post and let me just add new post. Check this out. This is going to be cool. So first what I want to do is I want to add, let me just bring this, like share, embed code, and let me just copy this code, right? And now let me just take text. Let's take this and embed this, right? And now let's just pick the category and boom, let's just publish it. And what I want to show you is how it automatically will take the thumbnail of the video. So if we go now to open link here, right? So we have all of this and we have this video, right? So now if you go to the home page, and let's just check out the thumbnail. Let's see where it was. Let's see. This is the thumbnail. You see, it automatically creates this image from the YouTube video, like that. Once you save the post, it's there, right? There is nothing, I mean, absolutely nothing. You need to do anything. And all of these related are right there, right away. So there's nothing to figure out. And totally automatic. And inside of the members area, I show you a lot of training how to get it working automatically so that really there is no problem whatsoever, right? And this is really, really powerful stuff. And obviously you can, for example, if we go back to the editing here, to the options, then you can, for example, say, okay, I want to have both sidebars, right? And let me just say that, and let's save it. And then let me say I want to put the left sidebar width will be 200, and no, let's say it will be 150 and or 120, and let's put 30 better. And then this one 200, right? Now let's just save the options here. And you can choose to show post date or comment count or whatever. So now if we go to the site and if we preview, see a lot of people are jumping right now. It's a very important moment. So you see all of these pages are here, and then we have this is totally different. But what you can do, you can literally take the AdSense code and put here banner. And one thing that we are developing right now is that these related posts will be like here, images. You see these images here? So we are actually developing this so that it's like scrolling along with you. No matter how big is the website, sidebar will scroll along with you, and there will be these images so that it's seamlessly integrated. So it looks like really there is just, like people cannot separate things from the sidebar and from the main content, right? So totally good. Alex is working, can it work with Facebook? Let me know how you mean that. Work with Facebook, do you want to drive traffic from Facebook, or let me know what you want to do. So this is the right moment to join, so make sure to join before the bonuses get out, because I mean we have limited bonuses here, because this is a massive value. This is a really no-brainer. If you click the link, you see that this is a no-brainer offer, totally can transform your affiliate sites. If you imagine one affiliate site right now, then you can have it ready and different literally within next 20 minutes. That's how easy it is.